Hi, welcome to DUL-TECH concept. Today we'll be implementing this very simple circuit on the prototype board, which is also known as the breadboard. Well, my previous video I showed you how the breadboard is being used and the various how the layout of this breadboard is being designed by the manufacturer. Okay, now this circuit is a very simple circuit that has a switch which controls the on and off of this very LED, and it has a resistor which protects this LED from getting damaged. We have our DC source which happens to be 9 volts, and this LED actually operates on 3.2 volts and 0.02 amperes, which is equivalent to 20 milliamperes. So remember, this is 3.2 volts and this battery is 9 volts. So without this resistor, now when we feed this 9 volt to this LED, it will automatically get burned. But this resistor protects the LED from getting burned. Well, what we'll be needing for this project is our breadboard, our 9 volt battery pack, our switch, our 220 ohms resistor, and then we have the LED which is orange in color, and then some jumper wires which we can use for our construction or our wiring. Thanks for watching, guys. This is DUL-TECH concept. On my next video, I will be teaching you how to select the right resistor for a specific project. Now, how do I know that this 220 ohms resistor is the right resistor that I can use to protect this battery, to protect this LED from getting burned? Stay tuned, guys. Watch out for my next video. Thanks.